Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Welcome to part 2 of our topic, which is about division of whole numbers for Singaporean Mathematics 5. We have here our next example, and that is 63 divided by 17. And this is how we are going to solve for it. I will be writing the word solution here below for you to have an indication that this is our solution now. And then after that, we will be writing 63 here in our dividends place, meaning it should be inside the division symbol. And for 17, this is our divisor, so meaning it should be outside the division symbol. And then we will be dividing now. So let's have 17 or 63 divided by 17, and that is 3. So we will be writing 3 here in our quotient. But the question is, how did we find that 3 is the answer? I use tables of 17. 17 times 1, that is 17. And then I multiply 17 times 2, that is 34. And then 17 times 3, and that is 51. And then 17 times 4, and that is 68. As you can see here, I don't have any 63 in the products place, but I only have 17, 34, 51, and 68. So therefore, I will be choosing the number which is closest to 63 but is not more than 63. And that is this part, 51. So I have to get the number which is beside 17, and that's 3. So that's why I have 3 here. Next, we have to multiply 3 and 17. No need to compute because you have here 51. So we have here 51. And then of course, we have to subtract 3 minus 1, that's 2. 6 minus 5, that's 12. Don't forget to write your remainder. It's 3 remainder 12. And that's it. This is the answer for example 7. Next, we also have here 149 divided by 67. Same process. I will be writing the word solution here. And then after that, 149, which is our first given, will be our dividend here, meaning inside the division symbol. And 67 will be placed here in our divisor. Kindly observe that you have here two-digit divisor, so meaning you have to get two-digit dividend here. But 14 is less than 67, so that is very impossible for us to divide, meaning we have to get another one digit here in the dividend for it to be bigger than 67. And that is 9. So now we have here 149. So let's divide now. 149 divided by 67, that is equal to 2. Again, how did we know that this is 2? It is because we use a multiplication table of 67 and multiply it by 1. It is 67. And then I multiply it by 2. So that's 67 times 2, that is 134. If I multiply it by 3, then it will become 201. So again, I don't have an exact value for 149 here, right? So therefore, I have to get the number which is closest to 149, but is not greater than 149. So therefore, I will be choosing 134. And then I have to get the number that is beside 67, and that's 2. So that's why we have here 2. And then no need for us to compute in multiplying 2 and 67 because we already have the product here. That's 134. And then we have to subtract. 9 minus 4, that is 5. 4 minus 3, that is 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0. So no need to write that. And that's it. That is 2 remainder 15. So that is the final answer for number 8. Another example. We also have here 6,692 divided by 28. Same process. I will be writing the word solution here for you to have the distinction that this is the part of a solution. And then for the first given, it will serve as our dividend. It is 6,692 here divided by 28. As I have mentioned earlier, you have here two-digit divisor, so therefore, you should be getting two digits also here. No need to add another digit because 66 is greater than 28. So we can easily divide 66 divided by 28. And that is equal to 2. How did we get 2? It is because we use tables of 28. So 28 times 1, that is equal to 28. 28 times 2, that is equal to 56. And 28 times 3, that is equal to 84. So again, I don't have the exact value here for 66, but I can choose the closest number to 66, and that is 56. So therefore, I should be getting the number beside 28, and that is 2. And no need for me to multiply 2 and 28 because it is already here, 56. So we have here 56, and then let's subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0, 6 minus 5 is 1. And as you can see here, 10 is less than 28. So therefore, we should bring down the next digit, and that is 9. So we have here 109. Let's continue multiplying this. So that's 28 times 4. So 28 times 4, that is equal to 112. Again, we don't have the exact value for 109 here, but we should be getting the number which is closest to 109, and that is 84. So let's get this part. But we will be writing 3, the number beside 28 here in our quotient. So we have here 3. 3 times 28, no need to compute. It is already written here. And that is equal to 84, right? 84 here. And then subtract. 9 minus 4, that's 5. 0 minus 8, not possible because 0 is less than 8. So cancel. This will become 10. 1 will become 0. 10 minus 8, that is 2. And then 25 is less than 28. Bring down 2. Now we have here 252. Let's continue this. So this is 28 times 5. So 28 times 5 is equal to 140. Let's try 28 times 6. 28 times 6, that is equal to 168. Next, let's try 28 times 7. And 28 times 7 is 196. Then let's try another number. Let's say that this is 28 times 8. So 28 times 8 is 224. Let's try another number. Let's say that this is 28 times 9. And that is 252. So as you can see here, we have the exact value of 252 unlike before. So therefore, we should be getting this, the exact value of 252. We should be getting the number beside 28, and that's 9. And then let's multiply 9 and 28, and that is equal to 252. 252 minus 252 is 0. So therefore, the final answer is 239 without the remainder. So that's it for our topic for division. If you have questions, clarifications, or inquiries about us, you can message our FB page, The Honors Tutorial. Thank you for listening and God bless.